wanted to go through the settings of this thing. Basically, I'm just gonna roll out forward. Whoop, that's the brakes. There we are. So I think to just cycle through what you've got, so you've got the coolant temperature, battery voltage, engine load and fuel percentage. I think this is MPG and stopwatch, and then you have your RPM and 0 mph. And I think if you press and hold the left button, it takes you into the main menu. And if you press the right button or the left button, you can go left or right. And then if you want to go in further, you have to press and hold the right button. So like so. And then this is to do with brightness, color, or I don't know what that is. So I'm just gonna say I want this. Oh, so it allows you to change the color of the lights. So I've selected all to be magenta, and then if you want, so that's LED 1, LED 2, 3 and 4, 5 LED blink, LED turn, and LED W. I don't know what that is, so I'm just gonna leave that red. I don't know what that is either, so they can stay red. So you can choose which one you want. So you press and hold the right button again, and then you can cycle through white, green, blue, cyan, and red, and yellow, and purple again. So it's totally up to you which one you want. So I want magenta, and then so you press and hold the left button, takes you back, magenta, 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 LED 5 magenta, and then to be honest, the blinking I want to be white. You can have it any way you want, so you can have it as red. So I'm gonna go for, I think white is actually very distracting, so we'll go for red. So this is the turn signal. So when you turn it, mine doesn't have that feature enabled because I think you have to ask for an update, but because the customer service is so poor, I'm not holding my breath. I have no idea what these two are. If you know what this, I know what that is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. So LED E and LED W, if you know what they are, comment in the section below. So that allows you to do all of that. So magenta, magenta. What I'll do is I'll change the right, this one, to white. I'll change this one to white as well, and that's it. And you can play around with them, you know. So that's that. So that's the color, and I think this is to do with the RPM. Oh, so you can switch it on and off. So if you're getting tired of the bloody gear changes, you can switch it on and off. So I'm just gonna go back, and then I can go back again by pressing and holding the left button. No idea what that is, so I'm gonna go into it and see what's what. So that's your lap. Again, not interested, so I'm just gonna go back. And then these are further settings. So, you know, you can change your revs here. So let's see what this down one is. So yes, I guess this is 1500 or whatever. I'm gonna go back. Let's see this. Oh, so these are the limits. I see. So you can set limits. So I'm gonna set my limit at 6,500. 6,600, actually 6,700, and then you press and hold the left arrow. So that's your top limit, and then I think this is your bottom limit. So when you want them to start. So I'm gonna set that at 1400 or 1400, because when the car starts up it's about at 1000, so the lights flicker and I don't really want that. So let's do it at 1500 rather. I have no idea what that is, so let's go inside. Stopwatch, manual or automatic, so I want manual, just leave that. So, and then just go back. Information, I guess. So that's the OBD and serial number, I guess. I think, oh, and brightness. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Oh, so that's the brightness. Okay. So we'll just turn the brightness down a bit. The brightness of the LED display, and I think that's the brightness of the lights. So you can have them really bright, which we don't want, or you can have them a bit less, so we'll have them a bit less. Go back again. What else have we got? Speedometer, also MPH or KPH, so that's nice to know. I'm going to obviously keep my MPH. Temperature, I'm guessing that's degrees in Fahrenheit. Yep, so we're in the UK, so like the rest of the world, we'll do Celsius. Sorry guys. And I think fuel, so I think it's to do with gallons, so UK gallons or whatever, which is what we are, so I'm going to leave it as UK. And that's it. So go back again, pressing and holding the left button, and that is everything. I don't know what, so that's the gauge display that we are interested in. So that's the rundown of the of the system. So I'm just gonna go for a drive now, and yeah. It's a worthwhile mod for me, as someone who doesn't daily their car, but likes to enjoy the drive. And I enjoy the fact that I actually have the digital speed now, which is very handy. what I'm talking about. This is the problem. The 1500 RPM is not a nice place to put it. Either you go to 1000 so they stay on, or either you put it to 2000 so they don't really come on when